It's our job to make sure everyone is happy. It's so rewarding to receive and share great feedback like this.
A happy customer that leaves a review like this online ends up being a repeat customer, and that's what motivates our staff and team to serve you better. We strive hard to achieve great reviews like this. It's inspiring, and a new customer who reads 5-star reviews is a wise customer because we stand behind our guarantee of 5-star customer service.
Let us help you with our excellent service today. We'd love the chance to give you a 5-star experience like this one. Thank you for stopping by today. We're looking forward to doing business with you. Contact us anytime.